Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for Pisces water sign? The message for Pisces water sign. What's going on? Wow, Queen of Cups and King of Cups. Pisces, interesting. Under the deck, 5 of Swords, 9 of Swords. I think there are some issues going between you and your person. So you are in this energy, you are missing them. Maybe you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding them. You are thinking about something at someone a lot. Especially when you are alone, you are getting these thoughts, Pisces. And because there are some disturbances between you and your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Pentacles, Knight of Swords and 2 of Cups. This is a mutual love between both of you and you both love each other and you are focused towards your career and you are also financially very stable, and there was communication between you and your person in recent past because Knight of Swords energy. I think in past everything was okay, but there is love between both of you and it is mutual, and you also focusing on your career and you are also getting financial stability. Then present, King of Cups, Knight of Wands and Page of Swords. But something is happening between you and your person because under the deck 5 of Swords and 9 of Swords. Maybe there are some very small differences between you and your person for some who are in relationship. Very few those who are in separation. Very few who are in no contact situation. Your person is very passionate about you. They're spying on you on social media because Page of Swords and Knight of Wands. They are very passionate about you. And King of Cups. Maybe for some 2 persons coming towards you. One could be a Knight of Wands and one could be King of Cups. One is very passionate about you, one is very committed to you. But maybe your past person is spying on you on social media. They are watching you, they are wondering about you, Pisces. And future Queen of Cups, Ace of Swords and Temperance. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. There is communication is coming, truth, clarity. And Queen of Cups with King of Cups, you both love each other. You both have strong emotions for each other, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. You both love each other a lot. I think you are very emotional person, Pisces. You have strong emotions for your person and there is communication is coming, Ace of Swords. Truth coming out, and Temperance. Maybe you want to restore the balance within you. You are patiently waiting for something or for someone. You want to balance the things in your life. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Judgment under the deck. Maybe they are going to make some decision regarding this relationship. So Pisces, let's see your person feelings towards you. Yeah, they want to communicate with you because Ace of Swords and 8 of Wands, they want to express their true feelings to you, Pisces. And King of Wands with the Lovers, yeah, they love you. There is love between both of you. And your person may be fire sign. They're very passionate about you. And your person also very powerful and very grounded person. Under the deck, King of Cups, they really want to offer their love to you. So let's see their actions towards you, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini or Sagittarius especially. I think in action wise, maybe they're thinking about to communicate with you. To be frank, they're wishing for this, they want to communicate with you, but 5 of cups, 4 of cups and 10 of wands. Right now your person is busy with their work, they're feeling overburdened due to family responsibilities or issues, whatever, they're feeling overburdened right now. And 5 of cups with 4 of cups, they're feeling missed opportunity with you, and they're feeling sad. They're feeling sad if you are in separation with your person, they're feeling sad if you are no contact. If you are in relationship but this is on and off connection, they're feeling very sad. Yeah, right now they're only feeling sad. I am not seeing any proper action here. Maybe some communication you can expect from your person because Ace of Swords is here and 8 of Wands is here. But proper action they will come and express. No, maybe they will communicate you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, there is a lot of passion between both of you, and Queen of Pentacles. So they want to share their love with you. And 8 of Cups. But there is separation. Maybe you person walked away from this connection. Now they're feeling regret. Maybe you walked away. One person in this connection is walked away. Now, but still they are very attracted to you. Still there is a lot of passion between both of you. And they want to share their life with you. Again, there is passion. But right now, maybe for some your person focusing on their career also, Queen of Pentacles energy. I think you also thinking about them a lot. Pisces. One person in this connection is sneaky. Yeah, communication is coming. Definitely there will be some communication in near future between both of you. I think one person is sneaky in this connection, playing games with the other person. Wearing mask. Yeah, there is separation. You both are in separation, feeling sad for the separation. And 8 of Cups. See, 5 of Cups and 8 of Cups. Separation, clear separation. I think maybe your person hurt you in past. Maybe you hurt them in past. So someone hurt in this connection. So one person hurts the other person in this connection. So, but you both missing each other. You both thinking about each other. There is still a lot of passion between both of you. So, a lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign. So, let's see your overall energy for the month, Pisces. But you both are thinking about each other a lot. You are trying to stand by your power. There is communication is coming. One person is younger than the other person. Yeah, communication is coming. Maybe the communication regarding the commitment. Maybe in past there is no commitment between both of you. So let's see. Clear separation. Your person overall energy for the month. Pisces. King of Swords, Princess of Pentacles, Queen of Wands and 8 of Cups. Again, separation. They are very passionate about you. They want to send some message, text. And King of Swords. Yeah, they want to express the truth to you because King of Swords is straightforward communication. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But still there is a lot of passion between both of you. Even you both are separated. Even you both are no contact. I want to express my love. See. Family issues for some. I will never forget you. Yes, they will never forget you. And I have too much going on my life. And I am crazy about you. Wow. So the messages are they're crazy about you. They want to express their love. And they will never forget you for some family issues. And they have too much going on their life. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. 2 cards popped out. You are good enough and a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra and your full moon in Virgo. So you are good enough. Pisces, if you are not feeling that you are not good enough, that is not correct. That the universe says that you are good enough and a new romantic cycle begins. Yeah, for some there will be, in near future there will be reconciliation, then a new romantic cycle will begin. Because right now you both are separated, you both are feeling sad without each other. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.